Hi, it's Spencer from Rainforest Plumbing Air. If you've heard whispers about refrigerant changes but aren't sure what it means for you, we've got you covered. The EPA has been phasing out older refrigerants like R-22 for years, but now the focus has shifted to phasing down HFCs like R-410A. Why? Because they're powerful greenhouse gases contributing to climate change. New refrigerants like R-32 and R-454B are more energy efficient and have a much lower global warming potential, which is good news for the planet. So what does this mean for homeowners and property managers? If your system is older and uses R-22 or R-410A, it doesn't mean you need to replace the system right away, but repairs will become more expensive and parts will be harder to find. If you're buying a new system, it will likely use one of the newer refrigerants, which run cleaner and are more efficient. If your AC system is aging, this could be a good time to start planning ahead. Staying informed now can help you avoid surprise costs later. So it's a good idea to have a trained technician look at your current setup and see if it still fits your home or property and matches the new EPA guidelines. If you have questions about how these changes might affect your system, leave them in the comments or talk to a licensed HVAC pro. Staying ahead of the curve makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching, and go ahead and smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.